It's Tablescape Tuesday. You know that, don't you? And here Grandma is joining in with her favorite Tablescape creator, Grace Life DIY home decor. And of course, our other awesome creator is. And here is our other awesome creator that puts on Tablescape Tuesday. You got to go over and check out these awesome channels and see what they do. They always have something beautiful to share and something interesting. Please go check them both out, my dear friends. Now let's go see what Grandma's did today. Grandma did a Valentine's tablescape. Oh yeah! A little late getting it up, and I thought I had it all put together and I was ready to put it up, and guess what? Didn't have it ready, so now it's even later than I thought it was going to go. Well, let's get it up. Late, but it's going up. Here's a tablescape put together for my wonderful, sweet husband. It's a Valentine's tablescape. I thought it turned out pretty good. What do you think? We do have a few new things to share, but let's first look at what it looks like. I thought it turned out pretty nice. What do you think? And you know, I didn't really spend too much. I spent a total of $22.50 extra. Everything else I already owned and had. Now, what were the new things that I purchased this time around? My kissing booth from Dollar Tree, $1.25. My beautiful heart back here for $1.25. And these are new, and I thought they were so pretty. I picked them up at Home Goods, and what they are, they're little butter dishes, and aren't they cute? They're finished off so well. So I was real happy with them. And then I got these cute little flower pots from Roses, and they came from Party City. And you're not going to believe it, they were $5 each. The quality of the roses are really good. The petals look so real, and so do the leaves. And the containers they're setting in are weighted at the bottom so they don't tip over easy. And they're really good quality. Everything else Grandma has had for a long time has been in past post already. But I wanted to share with you what we had and what we did. Now, the wonderful black and white trees you see on each side are from Dollar Tree, but I bought them a couple of years ago, so I paid $1. The kissing booth, of course, I told you I bought this year, but the tray that it's setting on with the hearts at each end and the teapot were from Hobby Lobby, and they were bought 3 or 4 years ago, and they were pretty pricey, but they're beautiful quality pieces. My milk container and my container for my tea and my sweeteners, is both of those are like probably 20-25 years old. We have our white charger that I've had in past posts, and they came from Hobby Lobby. The plates were from Home Goods, and the pretty little bowls I think were from Home Goods too, and they were $5 each. But I've had all 3 of these pieces in past posts. And so this will be a dinner that we're putting together, and we'll use those little heart bowls for the soup, and then we'll have this as our dinner plate, and this is our charger. The beautiful little white cups came from Dollar Tree, and I thought they were really nice. Let me know what you thought. The napkins all came from Home Goods, so did the silverware, but none of it's new. They've all been in past post, and we have seen them plenty of times. And our little magical spoons I've had for a year or two, and I use them for my tea. And of course, the butterfly and the bee are from my favorite store, or I guess I order from, because I've only been to one store that carries their stuff, Mackenzie Childs. and this beautiful cutout heart that says love with roses all around it, $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Well, hopefully I didn't forget anything. Let me know what you thought about the display. Well, I think we'll just go around the table one more time and just play some music for you can see which was your favorite piece, new or old, it doesn't matter. And did you like how I put everything together, my dear friends?